Back at the studio, and today, first up, we've got this van. Not really sure what's going on here. McLaren have kindly just dropped this in for a wash. Wasn't planned, but we're going to do it anyway. Main project of the day is going to be this Falingo for the guy that's putting our new electric sockets in the unit. Check this. Not quite the typical builder's van, but there is a bit of staining on the seats, carpets need a bit of a freshen up, and as a bit of courtesy, while he's fitting the electric sockets, we might as well do the van for him. So stay tuned and we'll get scrubbing. Alright, we couldn't let the whole day go without filming McLaren as well. So here's a quick flick through of the process for washing supercars at the new unit. So a couple of weeks ago, somebody gave us the idea to showcase the increase of value from before when we start on a vehicle to after when it's finished. This little van here, the increase of the value from the start to where it is now with a full interior valet and a machine polish to remove the old etchings from the old sign writing. If this was to go to a trader's now, it would be worth about £1,000 more than when it came in this morning. That's some increase, and now you know where a lot of the value goes when a trader will buy a vehicle and then sell it on again. Keep tuned, and we've got a new series coming to showcase more of the increase of values for vehicles like this.